Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We are on the dailymarketupdate.com website, and if you follow the link in the description, you can reach this website. If you register here for free, you can receive all the Elliott-Wave updates that we offer completely for free about oil, the stock market, cryptocurrencies, the gold market, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. The crypto market is on the move, and therefore we want to talk about a cryptocurrency. One that recently followed our projection and forecast is Cronos. So let's take a look at Cronos, and we start on the 2-day chart, which is the long-term perspective. I think we covered Cronos before. Quick reminder where Cronos should be heading in the long term. Basically in this third wave that you can see there on the long-term chart. It is typically the strongest wave in a rally, such a third wave. After a wave 2 completed here in 2023, the bear market, the crypto bear market completed end of 2023, and Cronos should be on its way into the region between $1.29 or $1.30 and $2.07. We can specify the target a little bit further as we get a little bit closer to that long-term target projection and target area. At the moment, this is still quite far away, so obviously it's quite a large area. These are just standard Fibonacci extension targets that are typically relevant in a third wave. You see here on the long-term chart that originally a wave 1 topped, and then we have an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, which is a pretty clear 3-wave move to the upside. And then we had the C wave down, a typical ABC structure. In crypto, we get a lot of these overshooting B waves, highlighted here in magenta. It basically is characterized through, basically breaking above the blue wave 1 high. And that happens quite frequently in crypto, especially if the move to the upside is only a 3-wave pattern. And then this very deep C wave sell-off. We could now be in this third wave to the upside. Now, looking at the shorter time frame, I think this is where it's interesting. Obviously, we had our support or trading area defined. We talked about this one in, I think, one of the previous updates here on the channel. And we had our trading area for this wave 2, because obviously, if we consider this long-term perspective, then also wave 3, the larger degree wave 3, should have 5 waves basically as subdivisions or subwaves. And again, if these are 5 waves, then the first wave of that one, again, is a 5-wave move. And we see these 5-wave patterns also on the smaller time frames. And it seems like that end of last year, green wave 1 completed, then we had this complex WXY structure, this pullback into our wave 2 support area. We're now likely in this green third wave, which probably still has some upside potential. Before then, another wave 4 should happen, and a wave 5, and so on. So we would then have to see how this is going to be integrated in the bigger picture. But after 5 waves, we can consider this move again a wave 1. So we are still far away from that. At the moment, it seems that Cronos is moving in a third wave. Most recently, Cronos moved, or Crow moved above the imminent resistance at 12.3 cents, and still should have a little bit more room to the upside, possibly into the 20-cent region. There has been a little bit of a reaction here to the downside, a little bit of a pullback, but that's completely normal. I mean, nothing is moving up in a straight line. There will always be ups and downs, and as long as we're holding higher lows, and forming higher lows and higher highs, the uptrend in the third wave should still be unfolding. So we expect the third wave to go a little higher. Maybe if it's clear, we can add another trading area for wave 4. But for now, anybody who entered positions in our last trading area can just focus on managing risk. It is then typically recommended, or can be reasonable, to move the stop loss into profit, or even just into the break even, to the break even point. But possibly some partial profit taking could be a good strategy, or moving up the stop loss into profit. But that is obviously depending on your own trading strategy and risk appetite. But yeah, whenever we have a reversal from these support regions, it can be reasonable to protect oneself from losses by just adjusting the stop loss. So it's interesting, quite a bullish crypto market at the moment. A lot of the altcoins have only recently started to move, so they should probably still have quite a bit of more upside potential to go. Yeah, that's the update about Cronos. Hope you enjoyed the update. Make sure that you follow the link in the description to register for free on our website. And then you can get access to all these Elliott-Wave updates on a daily basis for free. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.